Audio Jungle.
Hey lady loves, welcome back to the baby cave. I know it has been some time, but that's because I was off doing a little venture known as OnlyFans. And if you are here, then you want to hear my experience about it. So let's just get right into it. So a little bit about my background. I have done background acting for a few years, and I am a former Playboy promo events model, so I pretty much know the world of what OnlyFans kind of is and that provocative nature. And OnlyFans, I'm pretty sure you know of OnlyFans. I feel like everyone and their moms heard about OnlyFans, but just in case you don't know what it is, OnlyFans is a service, and what they provide is literally you doing your content, and that just doesn't have to mean in the adult entertainment part. You can do anything. You can bake stuff and sell your recipes. You can teach people how to clean. You can teach people how to fix things and pay them, have them pay you to do stuff. It doesn't all have to be adult content, but the majority of OnlyFans is adult entertainment. So I decided to do OnlyFans about a couple of weeks ago. I talked to my boyfriend about it, and he was a-okay. He was all on board. So I am originally a stay-at-home mom. I wanted a part-time job because, being at home 24/7 with the kids, it drives me nuts. Like, I am a person who loves alone time, and I wasn't getting it. So I figured, well, the only time I get alone time is when I'm at work. So it gave me that peace of mind just to go away for a little bit, do my own thing, and I'm getting paid for it. But sadly, that didn't work out, and it wasn't necessarily the place I was working for. I loved the place I was working for. Oh my God. Everyone loves this store, and I still do, but my schedule is only Saturdays and Sundays, and the pay that I was getting sucked. Like, it sucked. It wasn't worth it. And we came to the realization that we were losing money with me working. So it was just a better fit to not work. And that was just something temporarily. I actually received my pharmacy tech license, and I've had it before. I went to school like years ago for it, and I just renewed it because I was like, okay, well, let me just get a pharmacy technician job. They get paid a lot, right? They don't. So I have a couple friends that are supervisors, leads, and then I have a couple friends that work as pharmacy techs, and all of them said, and they all work at different places, the pay sucks. The pay sucks, and one of my friends said the pay starting at her job was lower than the pay I was receiving at my retail job, and I'm like, what in the world? So it kind of sucks knowing you go to school for X amount of time, you have a loan for X amount of money, you have a cool certificate, and then you're getting paid the same amount as people who didn't go to school. Not saying that nobody works harder than nobody, or not saying that, I work harder than somebody that doesn't have a degree or vice versa. I'm not dogging on anybody. I'm just talking about my experience. So knowing that I went to school, I have a loan, I have this cool certificate, and knowing that I'm getting paid the same amount sucks. And it sucks a lot. And I just realized, like, man, that's when the light bulb clicked of, I want to do OnlyFans. So like I said, I've already had the previous experience of working in the adult industry. So I was like, why not? So first off, you have to come to the conclusion of, are you sure that you want to do something where your content, and depending on what you do, but for me, adult entertainment, is going to be out there for the world, in the sense, can see. And OnlyFans has lots of policies and stuff protect their creators. So let's say I sell something and someone tries to distribute my content. Well, technically they bought my content. That's my content. So I can sue them for distributing my content, which I actually love OnlyFans for. So they really do protect their creators, their content creators. So just know whatever you decide to do on there, it's out for the world to see, and it's going to stay out there in the world to see, because we all know it's the beautiful World Wide Web, and everything that you put out there stays out there. So for me, I'm comfortable with it. I'm okay with it. So once I got the okay from the boyfriend, and I was like, okay, like I'm really down to do this. Let's do this. So I set up my account, and what I decided to do is, I'm not going to tell you everything I do or go into detail. If you want to know what I do, then, you know, go subscribe. I'll leave a link at the bottom, you know, if you want to go check out my OnlyFans. But anyway, I'll tell you some of what I do. So I do take pictures in lingerie, and some with lingerie and some without lingerie, and you know, you post it to your OnlyFans. You have something that's called a feed or a wall that's always there, and then where you get the majority of your payment is called pay-per-view messaging. So what I do on my feed is what I would do on my Instagram, which is just put up pictures of photo shoots that I do, but it's just more risque. So let's say I have like more of a tinier bikini on, or just whatever I want to do for my feed for OnlyFans. Now, what I post on OnlyFans, I do not post on my Instagram. Most of your money is called pay-per-view messaging. So if I want to send so-and-so a more riskier photo shoot, or you know, they want to request something, they can direct message me, and then I create content and they pay extra for that content. So in my head, I'm already like, why not? Why not do that? I already create kind of like similar content on my Instagram. I don't mind going a little more risque, or you know, all the way risque. That's something of my personal choice, and I don't mind. And to me, it's more of like, why am I posting it on Instagram when I can get paid for it? So that's when it hit me too. I was like, wow, they are paying me to see my pictures, and it's nice. It's flattering. It's nice, and I love talking to my fans. They can message me. We chat. Like, I get to know them. They can tell me what more they like to see, and it's just, if you like this type of industry, it's great. Like, I love it. So I have been on there so far for about 2 weeks now. I started Labor Day, so I'm not at 2 weeks yet. I'm like maybe tomorrow's gonna be my 2 weeks. So from Labor Day for 7 days, what I got paid, and I'll put the screenshot right here, $308 with 17 fans, and I was at the top 28%. So $308 for 7 days, not even doing like maybe an hour every 2 days of content. $308. That's with OnlyFans already taking their part out. So I'm just like, what? I could have been getting paid this whole time? Like, for real? So I'm excited to see what the month is gonna hold. I want to get more creative with my content, and I personally love it. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy how much I get paid, and it's on a rolling basis. So, you know, if so-and-so wants to subscribe, then it takes about 8 days to clear, and then once it clears, you get your payout. So you're always constantly getting a cash flow, and then you have a minimum balance of $20. Once you hit that minimum $20 balance threshold, you can take out whatever you want. You can set it to, they have the payouts as a manual payout. Like, you know what, I feel like getting money out now, I'll just take out like $200. Or I'll be like, you know what, I want to get paid every other week or every week. Then you can set your amount, and it does it automatically to your bank account. So it's really cool. I'm really surprised that I got paid that much in 1 week, because in my retail job, my past 2 retail jobs, I have not ever seen $300 working 2 weeks, and that's because of my availability. Like I said, I only work the weekends because of my kids. So seeing $300 for 5-6 days, that's insane to me. Insane. So my personal opinion is I love it. I enjoy it. I really do. If you are this type of person that likes the adult industry, that likes the adult entertainment, that likes doing like the photo shoots and being creative and doing other stuff that I'm not going to mention, you know what I'm talking about. I say go for it. I don't think it's too late either to start. There is a fetish and a kink and a love for everything out there. So I really don't think it's too late to start and find your niche of what you want to do on here. And I will be more than happy to answer any questions down below, or if you want to send them over to my Instagram, go ahead and I'll leave you anonymous. But it's great. And right now, as of almost being 2 weeks, let's just say by the end of the whole month of me being on OnlyFans, I'm more than positive I'm going to hit that over thousands mark. So because of where I'm at right now and how many fans I have, and now I'm at top 15%. So very exciting. So if you guys want to subscribe to my OnlyFans, I'll leave the link down below. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit my other links. I have my Instagram here, my Twitter, and that's where I post when I'm going to post my content on OnlyFans, also on here on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe here now for obviously home decor. I still do mommy topics. Now I'm going to start doing OnlyFans topics, because this is life, guys. This is life. I am a mom, YouTuber in the streets, and I do OnlyFans in the sheets. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's my own little joke. But for real, in all seriousness, this is life. You know, I enjoy being sexy. I enjoy being sensual. I like doing that type of content, and I'm a great ass mother as well. Anyways, if you're on that bandwagon, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.